Today, we're looking at how to use National Day to create real content. This is We Are Spruce, and they are a refillable cleaning products brand. They use social media very much as a way of connecting with people to show them the value of refilling your products and obviously promoting their own. Now, one of the things that they've done here is use a national day. So they've used World Refill Day to put on a sale. And what they've done is they've used a reel to show how their products actually work and why you should use them. So here it shows you the products all getting put in. They're put in little sachets. They're put into the refillable bottle. You fill it up with water and then you can start using it. And here it says World Refill Day sale, get 15% off this weekend only. Visit the link in our bio. So it's just such a great idea, because if I was them, it makes you want to purchase because you know it's only for that weekend. So it's creating that sort of fear of missing out. The weekend itself, like World Refill Day, is obviously a hashtag that a lot of people will be using who are interested in refillable products. So it's going to attract new people who are following that hashtag to the brand, which maybe didn't know them before. And then equally, it just gets people purchasing, because every sort of detail of what you need to do is actually there in the caption. Plus, it's just a really lovely reel. There you go, isn't it? It's just such a lovely reel, all very natural, it's beautiful in the background, and it's really, really simple. So if I was these guys, one of the things I'd want to do is to find more national days that I might be able to use for my brand. So when you go into the Maybe platform, if you go into content calendar, we now have all of the national days in the content calendar. So when you're going into schedule posts, you can look for other ones that might work for you. So it might be I don't know, it might be National Catfish Day there, it might be International Day of Yoga, it might even be National Selfie Day. They could do someone to, them taking selfies with their products, for example. The idea is that this gives people the tools to come up with some, or inspiration, if you like, or some ideas for their content coming up, and this brand would be no different. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.